Hi, I'm Liam Soden and I am Head of Ecology for Euroforest. Ecology is basically the management of species and habitats around how we deal with developments and other works within our portfolio. I was sort of the lead ecologist on HS2, so we were managing 120 kilometres of habitat clearance, which ranged from ancient woodlands through to probably every major protected species we have within the UK sort of appeared at some point on that project. So to come and work in something like Euroforest gives me scope to continue that work, but on a multitude of different projects in different habitats, and sort of a portfolio of work that Euroforest has, from the project based right through to sort of silviculture and timber marketing. It creates a whole different sort of landscape to work in. So creating a sort of culture within an organisation is quite important to me. So what I want here from Euroforest is to sort of create a culture where we understand ecology and it doesn't just become a hindrance to the way we work and the way we do things. I want it to be part of the process and something that enables us to complete the jobs we do and the projects we're working with. You know, what ecology is within the industries, and this is not just in the forestry industry, a lot of stuff now we're working on projects, which is probably more my background, is we do the ecology work because the project enables the ecology work, i.e. that it pays for us to be able to do this. So whether that's surveying species or mitigating species, this is all done through the enablement of a project. So we've got to look at how we can make sure the project keeps moving and not just stopping and starting because the ecology is just part of that process. So basically, why is ecology important within our industry is because there are a number of protected species and habitats that we obviously need to look after. But we shouldn't just mean that means we don't do anything around them. And what it does also allow us to do by working within the industry around ecology constraints allows us to actually understand the ecology constraints and how they behave in different situations and in and around different projects. And this can usually lead to the betterment of how we plan developments, or we deal with forestry applications, or how we do go and plant lands, new forestry, and deal with our silviculture thing, or even our timber marketing. It's all how we can sort of look at a project and price all the necessities in, but obviously for the betterment of species in a project. I'm just waffling. Okay. Can we go and do something else?